Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be finishing up the rear end by doing the camber arms and getting the front trailing arm bushings bolted in, and then we'll see what we do from there. Now there's those two 14s we're going to put back in. One of them's a 15, which is always the case, always something weird. And then in one of the, I call it toe adjusters, they're both 14s. Get those in, and then we'll just put the strut in, hold that all in. I might not do all the front end. It just depends on how much time it takes, but we'll at least get them bolted in so that she can roll around on her own. Alright, these are my Amazon cheap camber arms. They went in pretty good. On the other side I'll show you how I did it. The nut on this side, I thought they were welded, but it's not, and it's just rounded, so I used some vice grips and some heat and she came out. And then for these guys, they're pretty torn, but it's just to have a roll around for now. They were pretty hard to get in, but now they're in, so the wheels should sit on pretty good. So now we gotta fix that issue over there. Okay, there you have it. Now both of them camber arms are in, so it should be a little bit better till I get the nice ones that I ordered, so that I can replace a lot of this rear end stuff. But until then, it should be better. And while I was at it, I put in the bolts that hold in the upper control arms in the front, and I put the air boxes in just to see if they lined up, and they done something for the AC there, so I might have to cut something there, but we'll see when it comes time to do that stuff. There, she's officially back on her own wheels. The rear looked crazy with the wide body. That's it for this episode. Next we'll probably be doing some wiring.